Welcome back. This is a PR-10500 plate roll from Baileigh Industrial. This machine is manufactured in one of our Italian plants to the highest standards in the industry, offering decades of production. Now this is a 4-roll machine, so let's look at the roll setup a little more in detail. You've got your front roll, and on the opposite side of the machine you have your back roll. We've got your top roll, and we've got your pinch roll. On these front rolls, they have independent hydraulic lifters on it that goes in the actual orbital pattern. Now to make sure that they're parallel to the top roll, there is a stabilizer bar system that keeps them true. Now let's look at the web width on this machine, or the working area. The actual working area on this machine is 10 foot or 3,100 millimeters. The actual thickness capacity on here is 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter mild steel, and that allows you to do most tank applications. The actual power requirement on this machine is 460 volt 3-phase. We're actually driving some hydraulic motors to planetary gearboxes. So this machine really is built to the highest standards in the industry. Now let's take a look at the control panel. All right, here we are at the simple to use operator control panel. Now this control panel is actually attached to the machine, but it is movable, a real nice feature. Let's go through the actual gauges on here a little more in detail. We've got your digital readouts on both sides. So this is for your front roll and this is for your back roll position. We've got your start and your stop, as well as the most important switch on the machine, which is your e-stop. You've got hydraulic pressure on here as well for your pinch and your rolls up and down. Here we've got some toggle switches, and what we're going to end up doing is we'll actually go into a run mode and operate this machine for you. We'll start up the machine and go through some of these toggles here. This is for your linear feed. Forward, reverse. That's actually feeding the plate through the machine. We've got your front roll, up and down. You can see it listing on the digital readout. On this side, if you watch this is the actual back roll. We'll bring that down. Now those front and back rolls again are for actually forming the material. Here's your bottom pinch roll. Bring that back down. All right, here we've got the yoke. What'll happen is the yoke will drop and it'll allow the top roll to lift. And when the top roll lifts, it allows the bent piece of material to come off of that top roll. Let's take a look. Yoke backs away, top roll lifts. And now you can take that piece of material off of the machine. Now what we have on the front roll is we actually have a coning attachment throughout the machine, but watch this. By bringing that front roll up, we can actually do some coning. The next coning roll that we have is that bottom pinch roll. And finally, on this side of the machine, we have a coning adjustment for the back roll. And again, the coning adjustments are standard with the machine. All right, now let's shut this machine down. Now this is the PR-10500 industrial plate roll from Baileigh Industrial. To find out more about this great product or any of our other products, go to www.baileigh.com. Thanks for joining us.